Dear students, today I take one more problem to explain how to use Newton forward interpolation formula and also Newton backward interpolation formula. So now I take one problem. You are given f of 40 is equal to 184, f of 50 which is equal to 204, f of 60 which is equal to 226, f of 70 which is equal to 250. Next, f of 80 which is equal to 276 and f of 90 which is equal to 304. Here we have to find, using the given values, we have to find f of 38 and f of 85. F of 85 now. So here we take given problem is f of 40 is equal to 184, f of 50 is equal to 204, f of 60 is equal to 226, f of 70 is equal to 250, f of 80 is equal to 276, f of 90 is equal to 304. So using the given value we have to find y of 38 and also f of 85. So here first we construct the table. So here we take x value or 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and also 90. X value 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay, now next corresponding y value 184, 204, 226. Next, f of 70 is equal to 250, f of 80 is equal to 276 and f of 90 is equal to 304. So now first we construct the table, means we take the difference between these two value. 204 minus 184 which is equal to 20, 226 minus 204 value 22, 250 minus 226 value 24. Next, 276 minus 250 value 26. Next, 304 minus 276 value 28. This is the first difference value. Next, again here take difference between first two difference value. 22 minus 20 value 2, 24 minus 22 value 2, 24 minus 26 value 2, 28 minus 26 value 2. Again difference between 2 minus 2 value 0. So now come to the given. Here we have to find f of 38. F of 38 means here 38 is compare first and check. 38 is nearest to first value or last value. 38 is the nearest to 40. It means first value. So here we use forward difference table. Newton forward interpolation formula. So Newton forward interpolation formula state that y of x which is equal to y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus r into r minus 1 r minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught. It is goes on continuing, where r is equal to x minus x naught divided by h. R is equal to, here x value 38 minus x naught value 40, that is the first value, divided by h. H value 50 minus 40 10, 60 minus 50 10. It means h value 10. 38 minus 40 value minus 2 by 10, minus 2 by 10 which is equal to minus 0.2. So next here we use first forward means here we use first leading value, that is y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught. That is y of x is equal to y naught value 184, r value minus 0.2, delta y naught value 20. Next, r into r minus 1, that is minus 0.2 minus 0.2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial value 2, delta square y naught value 2. Next value delta cube y naught value 0. 0 into something is 0. You stop that one. Okay. Then 180 minus 0.2 into 20. Next here this 2 become cancel. Here minus 0.2. Here this is minus 0.2 minus 0.2 minus 0.2 become minus 1.2. This minus become cancel, we get here plus. So now simplify, we get y of 38 value 180.24. Okay, now next here come to here we have to find f of 85. F of 85 means here compare. F of 85 is the nearest to last value, that is 85 is nearest to 90. So here we use Newton backward interpolation formula, that is y of x is equal to yn plus r into nabla yn plus r into r plus 1 by 2 factorial into nabla square yn plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube yn. So here where r is equal to x minus xn divided by h. So here x value means here we have to find f of 85 means 85 minus xn value 90, h value 10. 85 minus 90 value minus 5 by 10, that is minus 0.5. R value minus 0.5. Now here this is 304. Here we use backward interpolation formula means we have to take last leading value, that is yn nabla yn nabla square yn nabla cube yn. Now this value and this r value is kept in this equation. So y half 85 which is equal to yn value 304, r value minus 0.5, nabla yn value 28. Next minus 0.5 minus 0.5 plus 1 by 2 factorial value 2, nabla square yn value 2. Next dash 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 nabla cube yn value 0, 0 into something is 0. Then here 2 become cancel. Therefore 304 minus 0.5 into 28. Next here minus 0.5 into 1 minus 0.5 become plus 0.5. Now simplify, here we get y of 85 which is equal to 289.75. So like that we have to solve the you have to find the like that we have to find y value corresponding x value by using Newton forward and also backward interpolation formula. And so now I take another one example. This is the most important question for examination point of view. So here from the following table finding the number of students who have obtained less than 45 marks between 40 and also 45 marks. So marks between 30 to 40, 31, 40 to 50, 42, 50 to 60, 51, in 60 to 70, 35 and 70 to 80, 31. It means here, so nearly 31 students who have scored in any one particular subject, 31 students who have scored between 30 to 40. It is also meaning less than 40 value 31 students, that is also another meaning is 31 students have scored less than 40. Okay, now next 42 means 42 students are scored the marks between 40 to 50. Okay, next 51 students are scored between 50 to 60. 35 students who scored marks between 60 to 70 and 31 students who have scored 70 to 80. So here less than 40. So less than 40 means here which is equal to here x value. Here 30 to 40 is also meaning is the 31 students who scored less than 40. It means 40 to 31. So less than 50 means it's including 40 including 30 to 40 also. So it contains 31 plus 42 value 73. So next 50 to 60 students are 51 students. 51 students are scored between 50 to 60. It is also meaning less than 60. Less than 60 means including these two value, these two members. So it means 31 plus 42 plus 51 would become 124. Next, 60 to 70, 35 students who scored less than 60 to 70. It is also meaning number 35 less than 70. Less than 70 means including all this. It means 31 plus 42 plus 51 plus 35. So we get 159. Less than 31 student, last is 31 students who scored 70 to 80. It is also can be write less than 80. Less than 80 means 31 plus 42 plus 51 plus 35 plus 31. So here we get 180. So now using this x and y value, first we construct the table. 73 minus 31 value 42, 124 minus 73 value 51, 159 minus 124 value 35, 190 minus 151 9 is 31. Next, this is the first difference value. Next, 51 minus 42 value 9, 35 minus 51 value minus 16, 31 minus 35 value minus 4. Next, minus, it is the second difference value. Next we have to, using second difference value, next we have to find third difference value, that is minus 16 plus 9 value minus 25, minus 4 minus 16 value 12. At last, use this the third difference value. Next, using this third difference value, next we have to go to fourth difference value, that is 12 minus of minus 25. It become plus 27 plus 25. Here we get 37. So first we have to find R value. R value is, here we have to find less than 45. Less than 45 means here x value 45. So x value 45. Here 45 is the nearest to first value. So that was, here we use forward Newton forward interpolation formula, that is 45 minus 40 divided by 10, which is equal to 0.5. So Newton forward interpolation formula state that y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 into r minus 3 by 4 factorial into delta the power of 4 y naught. So substitute all the value. Here y, delta y, this one is the delta y naught value, delta square y naught value, delta cube y naught value, delta the power of 4 y naught value, and r value is 0.5. All the values substitute in this equation. Simplify. Here we get 47.87. 47.87 means is nearest to 48. It means 48 students are scored less than 45 marks. So second condition is there between 40 and also 45. Between 40 and 45 means we take this value. So do you take the difference? Sorry, we take the difference. Here 40, here 31 students who scored less than 40 now. So here 40, that is 48 less than 45 value 48 student, that is here f of 45 minus f of 40. So here which is equal to f of 45 value 48, f of 40 value 31, 48 minus 31 value 17. So here 17 students who scored less than, sorry, between 40 and also 45. So here like that we have to use forward interpolation formula and also backward interpolation formula. And here one thing, here main thing, here x value is equal means h value is same. Then only here we use either Newton forward interpolation formula or Newton backward interpolation formula. This is the most important. If x value is equally distributed, then only we use Newton forward or backward interpolation formula. And one thing again, if x value is nearest to first value, then we use Newton forward interpolation formula. If x value is nearest to last value or out of the range, then we use Newton backward interpolation formula. If you have any confusion or any clarification, please contact me. Okay, thank you.